believed to be an Avis C83. It's got a bit of a paracentric keyway here. It's difficult to pick from the bottom, and these pins are kind of set a little bit low. You hear this bit of warding. So I'm going to start with this half diamond. Been using those a bit lately to get around things. Oh, okay, there's pin 1, little action, 2, 3, 4. Also something on 4 and 5. 2, a little more on 2, looks like. Oh, drop some stuff. Set some more on 2, 3, some more, 4, I guess again. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, I think 2 needs some work, but it's a little high, so I'm going to get to the hook here. That's 1, 2. Nope, nope. 2 didn't want anything. 3, 5. Ooh, 5. No. 4, 3. Let's go back. 1, 2. Oh, okay. There's 2. What is that overset? 4. 1, 2. 3, 4. Oh, okay. 4 was holding out. I have not had a look inside of this guy yet. There. Boom, boom, boom. And we need to get that off. So let's see if these inverse pinches work. Let's see now. So we'll use the, there we go, stretch that guy out. Let's see what kind of mess I can make out of this. Remember, kids, always use your shims. It'd be so much easier if I just remembered how to gut every kind of lock every time. All right. Oh, is that not gonna work? Oh, I wonder. Oh, okay. Oh, is that? It's the same spring for both. Okay, neat. And can I get a shim in now? Where's the pins? Pins are hiding back here. Excellent. That should be good. Where are my key pins? Okay, that way. Yes. All right. Good news, everyone. Okay. Oh, that's a little kind of trapping pin, serrated key pin. That's a little trappy kind of pin. So this is interesting. Looks like a bit of an overset trap there. Refocus. Oops. And then, ooh, here we go. It appears to be in serrated top of that key pin, and more of these. What really appears to be some kind of overset trap. I didn't notice my hands look a little dry, huh? That's all right. Here's a tall one. Yeah, very nice overset traps in there. Anything else going on in the core? I don't see anything special. Nope. Nope, nothing special going on in the plug, I should say. Here's a better look at that paracentric keyway. Those of you familiar with sort of picking some of these, oftentimes there's a passage here, a hole here that you can get a hook through, like so. But in this case, it wasn't. So I picked off of this wording, and to get things starting to set, I used this half diamond. Again, a tool that I think is not very often used in lock sport, but I've found it to be quite handy under the right circumstances. So let's see what's hiding up here. Oh, let's get that shim out. Yeah, that's about what that felt like. Spool, I'm gonna have to check which direction these spools are supposed to face. See, that one had this one facing that. And at the end, an interesting sort of spoolie serrated guy. there's anything special going on in there. So, what do we have here? We have a spool with, the sort of tapered end there. A couple more of those. 4 of those in total. Those are interesting to pick at the end. And I'm pretty sure that's typically supposed to be facing down, but I'll have to check. Yeah, that's interesting. But they act as sort of like an overmilled pin, so it'll pick, go into a false set, and then you have to nudge them up once again in order to get it. For example, 4 in this case was a holdout. It had to be tickled again because even after the spool part was set, right, you get it past this, and then this still catches on the shear line. So you've got to get it just nudged past that. Not difficult, just a matter of hunting for it again. But anyway, that was kind of a fun, interesting little lock. I believe an Avis C83. There it is. Repeat this the way I think it's supposed to be. I repinned it the way I think it's supposed to be pinned with the nub on the driver spools facing the key pins. Definitely different that way. I think more challenging. Let's see, doodle. So just goes to show when you buy a lock on eBay, be careful about whether or not it has been pinned properly. For some locks, I think that's probably not quite a big deal. A lot of them, it doesn't matter which way that business is facing. the same either way, but in this one, I think definitely watch out. Lord. I think I closed that too tight. I would. That seems like something I would do. Here we go. Space that out a little bit. There you go. I hate how mangled those things get. Oops. There you go. Unfortunately, sometimes whenever the stuff starts dropping into the plug, it is often recoverable. A notable exception being most high pin count locks, then it's just done. Very unfortunate. Okay. You've seen all this before. Again, these overset traps, I think, are a little nasty. Once upon a time, I had these tweezers. They're probably blindingly obvious to the viewers at home. Oh my goodness. Where did I put those things? There they are. What a minor annoyance. Oop, let's get that shim out. Okay, and if you can see, there the nub is facing. Get out. Okay. Here once again we have the nub facing the key pin. Nub facing the key pin. Oops, alright, you didn't see it that time, but it was. I think that's the one that was last time. And our friend the serrated, who I think felt a little different this time, maybe because if things are in the nubs, maybe that just responds a little differently. But anyway, there it is, round 2.